Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Nancy and I would like to present you Edmodo learning platform today. So what is Edmodo? Edmodo is an educational website and it is an application as well. And here's the official website link. So it's a safe educational social network which has very familiar user interface which looks like Facebook. So it facilitates the communication between on many levels actually. So first of all, between teacher and students. So teacher can create assignments, quizzes, and surveys on Edmodo. They can share their teaching resources and materials on this platform, and they can reach out to their students, and the students obviously can reach out their teachers, ask them questions at any time outside of the classroom. And all the students' work and progress are documented on this platform, and they can easily get feedback from their teacher on Edmodo. All right. Also, students can communicate with each other, so they can collaborate and share ideas, asking each other questions and solve problems or discuss their assignments. Another way of communication on Edmodo is teacher can communicate with other teachers from all over the world of their subjects, where they can share resources, discussing ideas, or asking each other questions. And finally, parents also can have access to this platform where they can see their children's progress and work, or to communicate with their teachers. So how to start? First of all, the teacher goes to the website, and then she creates or he creates an account, and here's the page, how the page will look like when the teacher creates an account. And then after creating an account, here on the left side you can see how to create a class. You can just press create a class, and then you can create as many classes or as many groups as you want. Then you can change the color, so you can easily identify the class by color coding. After this, you will get a class code. You can share the class code with your students. And the same steps will go with the students. The students can go and create an account, and when they create an account, Edmodo will ask them to provide the class code which you already shared with them. And here's the student view, where the student create an account. Here, this is what they will see. Then as a teacher, you start using Edmodo's features, like you can write notes, you can write a welcome note, you can write a note about an assignment and a quiz, a reminder. You can create assignments with due dates, and students can turn in the assignments on Edmodo, and you can grade it, you can give them feedback also on this platform. You can create a quiz or as many quizzes as you want. You can create surveys for the students. Here, where you can get notifications from the students, or students when they submit works, and here is the where you can see any messages between you and the students or parents maybe. So again, this is the teacher account, and then you can start by maybe writing a welcome note, and then try to make your teaching language fun by using the other features, or by many ideas. I will share some of them with you here. For example, you can create a story chain to develop the students' writing skills and communication skills. So the teacher basically can start with writing one sentence in a post to start a story, and each student can add one more sentence until a short story is created. This is very interesting for the students, and here is an example where the teacher started a sentence and each student added up a sentence or two until they created a story. And this is for a pre-intermediate Arabic class. Another idea you can use on Edmodo is which usually the students like it so much, where the students can post a photo or a video of themselves or places they visited or their family, and they can write a caption and other students comment on it. And of course the teacher should monitor the appropriateness of this photo writing, and she can monitor the spelling and the grammar. So here's an example. One student shared a photo and other students commented on it, all in the target language. Another example is the teacher can post herself can post a video or an audio, a joke or a riddle, a song, maybe in a target language, and the students comment on it. Here's an example of this. And another example can be, another idea is a student can post their own work, and the other students can communicate, or the teacher can post the student's work and the other students comment on it. A very interesting example of this, you can ask students in groups to create a project, for example, a menu or a travel guide in the target language, and the other students can comment asking and communicating with them. For example, they can ask, where is the location of your restaurant? Do you have a smoking area? Do you have a children playing area? Do you provide any offers, or do you provide burrito, for example, or what is the component of X dish or whatever? So here is an example. The teacher created a menu, posted a menu of student work, and other students commented on it. Edmodo is totally free of cost, and that's pretty much it. Just so to wrap up, Edmodo is a fresh way for class communication. It makes you can make the teaching and learning fun. You can upload the work as a teacher, or the student can upload their work. Students can get feedback easily and quickly. It's completely free of charge, and it's easy to use. Additionally, the teacher can use it to have some professional developments. I hope you like it and it's useful for you, and thank you.